Hi, and welcome to my life. I grew up in a town called Redondo Beach. I love living here because I'm able to go to the beach all year round. But in the wintertime, the ocean is way too cold to go into it. But my family and I like to take long walks on the strand with our dog. In the picture below of the sunset, it was actually taken on my deck. One of the great benefits of living by the beach is that we get to see the pretty sunset every single day. I love watching the sunset because I love seeing the colors change so quickly in the sky. Since being in the water was a huge part of my life growing up, I decided to join a club swim team in 6th grade. I swam club all 3 years of middle school. Once I reached high school, I joined the varsity swim team and the varsity water polo team. I did water polo for 2 years and swam all 4 years of high school. I broke many individual records and relay records. In the picture below is us beating the 200 freestyle relay, and it was such a fun day, but also so sad because it was one of the last meets with the seniors. My senior year of high school, I got a scholarship to swim at a Division I school for college. I was really excited. And in my first semester of college, I injured myself and I had to end my swimming career. I was really sad because swimming was my life, but I soon found out that I fell in love with another thing, working with children. In the picture is me with my favorite baby at work, and his name is James. I actually work 2 jobs. My first job is working at a preschool where I work with 3 to 4 year olds and also give swim lessons. And at my second job, I work at a daycare at a gym, and I love working at the daycare because I get to work with a lot of older children compared to working at a preschool where I'm only working with little kids. Since we are in quarantine, I picked up a bunch of hobbies. One of the hobbies is painting my nails. My mom and I like to paint our nails a lot and try out different designs, but I'm not really good at painting my nails, so my mom usually has to help me out a lot. In the picture, I painted my nail cow print, and my mom painted her nails with cute little flowers. Another hobby that I like to do is cook. Since I had to celebrate my birthday in quarantine, I wanted to make myself a cake. So I made a double layer chocolate and confetti cake and homemade cream cheese icing. To decorate it, I cut marshmallows in half and dipped them in different colored sprinkles and made them into flowers. It was a super fun and super cute way to have fun on your birthday in quarantine. When I'm out of quarantine, though, I love going on hikes and being outdoors. In the picture is a cool, fun hike me and my friends found just one day driving around. I love where I live, and I'm so grateful that my parents have given me the opportunity to grow up at such a great place, and I'm really happy that I get to call Redondo Beach my home. Thank you.